Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel and welcome back to our Korean vocabulary by alphabet series. In this video, we are focusing on the Korean consonant here, which gives us many essential and frequently used words. We have already learned Korean words beginning with various different Korean alphabets like Kiet, Nien, Miem, Piep, Siut, all of them. So now, as I said, our focus is on words beginning with here. From everyday items and people to nature, professions, and even space, you'll find a wide range of vocabulary that can boost your Korean skills beginning with this letter here. So, get ready to learn and expand your word list with some must know Korean words beginning with this letter. Let's get started. Korea, 한국, 한국. So, the Korean word for Korea or the Korean name for Korea is 한국. Although the official name for this country, South Korea, is 대한민국. But it is more commonly referred to as 한국. Okay? Grandfather, 할아버지, 할아버지. Grandmother, 할머니, 할머니. Pumpkin, 호박, 호박. Company, 회사, 회사. Sky, 하늘, 하늘. Hotel, hotel, hotel. As you can see, hotel is the transliteration of this English word hotel. Planet, 행성, 행성. Restroom, 화장실, 화장실. This can be used for bathroom also. So the word for restroom or bathroom is same in Korean. It is 화장실. Cash, 현금, 현금. School, a very popular Korean word. 학교, 학교. Lake, 호수, 호수. Sunflower, 해바라기, 해바라기. Hockey, hockey, hockey. This one is also a loan word. Student, 학생, 학생. Black pepper, 후추, 후추. Detective, 형사, 형사. Vacation, 휴가, 휴가. Tiger, 호랑이, 호랑이. 호랑이 is the national animal of South Korea. Sun, 해, 해. Tuesday, 화요일, 화요일. Waist, 허리, 허리. Patient, 환자, 환자. Hamburger, 햄버거, 햄버거. This is a loan word. As you can see, it's just the transliteration of this English word hamburger. Traditional Korean dress. What is the traditional Korean dress called in Korean language? Again, a very, very popular Korean term, hanbok. Hanbok. Student ID, 학생증, 학생증. Jellyfish, 해파리, 해파리. Elder brother if you are male. 형, 형. Chemistry. 화학, 화학. Office worker. 회사원, 회사원. It can also be called a company worker in Korean. School supplies. 학용품, 학용품. Headphones. 헤드폰, 헤드폰. This is again a loan word. Mars. 화성, 화성. White, the color white in Korean. There are two words. 흰색, 흰색. 하얀색, 하얀색. Brothers. 형제, 형제. Makeup. 화장, 화장. Seahorse. 해마, 해마. Grade or school year. 학년, 학년. Perfume. 향수, 향수. Handbag. 핸드백, 핸드백. This is a loan word, as 핸드백 is the transliteration of this word handbag. Flood. 홍수, 홍수. Cosmetics. 화장품, 화장품. 화장 is the Korean word for makeup, and the word for makeup products, 화장품. Okay? Neptune. 해왕성, 해왕성. Chemist. 화학자, 화학자. 화학 is the word for chemistry. For chemist, 화학자. Junior. 후배, 후배. Dressing table. 화장대, 화장대. So again, related with makeup. 화장, makeup, and the table where you do your makeup, 화장대. Helicopter. 헬리콥터, 헬리콥터. This one is a loan word. You can see it very clearly. Yawn. 하품, 하품. Volcano. 화산, 화산. Accountant. 회계사, 회계사. Semester. 학기, 학기. Hamster. 햄스터, 햄스터. This is again a loan word. Hippo. 하마, 하마. Alright, so in this video we learned 50 plus Korean words that begin with the letter here. So thank you so much for watching this video. As we've covered some essential Korean words beginning with here, still there are many more words that begin with here. So if you can think of any other Korean words that begin with here, then please do share them in the comments and let's make this list even longer. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for the grammar lessons and more vocabulary lessons with Korean Express. See you in the next video. Thank you.